At the time of recording, Pepe is trading around $0.00000365 and it's up roughly 5% on the day. Now this is actually a pretty important move because after recent weakness and corrections, buyers are finally stepping back in and trying to rebuild confidence around the coin. Over the last several sessions, Pepe had been struggling to maintain momentum. The market was showing uncertainty, sellers were dominating short-term price action, and many traders were waiting to see whether the coin could stabilize. But today's 5% pump changes the mood a little bit. It shows that buying interest is still alive, and in the meme coin world, momentum can return extremely fast once traders start noticing green candles again. What's interesting here is that Pepe continues holding strong community attention despite all the volatility. And honestly, that's one of the biggest reasons meme coins survive. In crypto, especially with projects like Pepe, hype and community engagement matter almost as much as price action itself. Now the current level around $0.00000365 may still look low compared to previous rallies, but the important thing is the reaction from buyers. If the coin can continue building support and maintain this momentum, then traders could start becoming more optimistic again. And that brings us to the big topic everyone keeps asking about, the 2026 price prediction for Pepe coin. First, we need to understand that Pepe's future depends heavily on the overall crypto market cycle. If Bitcoin and major altcoins enter another strong bull market before or during 2026, meme coins could once again become some of the biggest winners in the market. We've already seen this happen in previous cycles. During bullish periods, retail investors rush into speculative assets searching for massive returns, and meme coins often become the center of attention because they can move extremely fast. In a moderate bullish scenario for 2026, Pepe could potentially recover and move into the $0.00000 to $0.00001 range. That would still represent strong growth from current prices while remaining within realistic expectations. In a stronger bull market environment, especially if meme coin hype explodes again across social media platforms like X, Reddit, TikTok, and YouTube, Pepe could potentially move even higher. Once viral momentum starts building, meme coins can rally aggressively because FOMO spreads quickly among retail traders. But this is where we also need to stay realistic. Pepe has a massive circulating supply, and that creates limitations for extremely high price targets. Predictions like 1 cent or even $1 may sound exciting online, but they would require an enormous amount of capital entering the market. Under normal market conditions, those targets are extremely difficult to achieve.